It has increased the performance as well without any tuning.
Since this is our product that we are distributing, we suggest them to use this JBOM downpipe.
Okay, so next project here, yes, we have another set of JBOM downpipes, and you can see there's two downpipes here. It's going into a V8, so I think in the market there's not much downpipes that can be done with guaranteed no check engine light, but with JBOM they can guarantee this, and we are confident to install in so many cars. So this pair of downpipes is going into a Defender
5.0 V8.
On back for the legs, say something. Never tell her back that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the.
Okay guys, let us recall on what we did before to this Defender 110 V8 5.0. So before this, what we changed to this car was actually our Luma inspired body kit. So it's a white body kit, as you can see here. It gives much a nastier stance for this car. And we changed to this beautiful Veleno Performance wheels. And the last thing that we changed for this car is this titanium Veleno Performance Valvetronic catback exhaust. So months ago, this customer was looking for a downpipe that doesn't need tuning. Since this is our product that we are distributing, we suggest them to use this JBOM downpipe. So finally, we found a solution for his car.
Yeah, thinking my life, thinking this right. Switching and missing the point to the light. Washing the thoughts in the back of my mind. Telling them I know for a fact that they mine. Watch me, I'm slow.
So guys, we already did the dyno test on this Defender V8 5.0, and as you can see here, the stock is 467, and with our JBOM downpipe and Veleno, it's increased up to 480 horsepower with 616 Newton meter torque. So it's an increase of 13 horsepower. This is without tuning. This is with our JBOM downpipe 100 cells and also Veleno catback exhaust.
Okay, Wildan, what do you think of the car?
Oh, I think this car sounds crazy with the Veleno catback exhaust, also with the 100 cell JBOM downpipes. I think this car is a menace.
Yeah, I think this car sounds amazing already with the catback exhaust, but now with the JBOM downpipes, it has increased the performance as well without any tuning. It's running on stock map. That's what the customer wanted. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, the rev, the flybys, the launch, as well as on the dyno.
Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Drop the comments down below on what car we should do next. And yeah,
hope to see you in the next video.